Greetings and welcome to the Planetary Persuader for January 3rd, 2020. Now, looking at the sky today, we'd see the moon in the constellation of Pisces. And the part of Pisces the moon is in is Rebete, which is the last part of Pisces. Its symbol is the two fish. Its ruling deity is Pushan. Its ruling planet is Mercury. So here it is in the Jupiter-ruled Pisces, but the ruling planet is Mercury. So it is where we get informed completely. Mercury rules our intelligence. Jupiter rules our faith. Jupiter also rules our teachers and our spirituality. Mercury is more concerned with practicalities, or how to use the practicalities to make them spiritual. So this is the end of the line. This is the last part of the zodiac before we go into Aries, which we will be in by late tonight, and certainly tomorrow morning and most of the day when the moon moves into the nakshatra of Ashvini, which is ruled by Ketu, which is more of our spirituality and our freshness to integrate things. So one thing about today, if it's feels like a little bit jagged or rough, this is what a place that the moon is at known as the Gandanta. And the Gandanta is referred to as a knot. And the knot only happens between water and fire signs. So in the water sign, we're letting go of an old cycle, and the fire sign, we're breaking through to a new cycle. So this is what happens in sidereal Vedic astrology. Now in Western astrology today, we would say that the moon is in Aries. And and that tomorrow at 8:15 the moon will go into Taurus. And as far as other things to consider this week, we're on a waxing moon cycle. That means the moon is gaining energy. And the last new moon, remember, was an eclipse on Christmas evening. And so everyone is recovering from that, and the moon is gaining energy. Now, one thing that happened early this morning is that Mars in Western astrology moved into Sagittarius. Now, we'd still find it in the constellation of Scorpio in the sky, of course, as we look at it. But so Mars and Sagittarius, there's like an orientation towards sports and games and playing. So that in itself is somewhat significant. But without any further ado, and we will turn it over to